Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1, correct. And number 2, her hair. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob and I go to a coffee shop every day. Bob and I go to a coffee shop every day. Coffee shop. It is a place where you can buy drinks and food. Now we can make a flashcard for coffee shop. Please write coffee shop up here in the top left corner. COFFEESHOP. Down in this corner, CTY1. This means city, level 1. Over here, the number 15 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Coffee shop. Coffee shop. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. We like Jennifer. Her hair is long. We like Jennifer. Her hair is long. Her hair. The hair that belongs to Jennifer is long. Now we can make a flashcard for her. Please repeat. I, me, my. You, your. She, her. This one is I like her. And this one is her hair is long. Please make a card like this. Write her up in the corner. H-E-R, as in her hair. Down in this corner, I, me, my, 21. And over here the number 2 out of 21. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Her. Game over. You did very well today. Where does Bob go every morning? He goes to a coffee shop. And we like Jennifer. Her hair is long. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Jennifer likes to listen to the radio. Very nice. Number 2, I will not play tennis tomorrow unless the weather is nice. And number 3, wish. Very good. Please repeat. I wish I could fly like a bird. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.